Ka Don Bosco Technical School DBTS Shillong kala penlong ya kasngi kentiu kerdan Convocation Day haka arpusan tarik nailur ha Don Bosco Hall na kabentaki samla ki bala pendap ya kijing puli haki phang jing start ki bakuntup ya ka electrician ITI, MMV ITI, woodwork ITI, welder ITI, mechanist, sewing technology, stenography bat DTP. Hakani kasngi kentiu kerdan ya ki samla puli u Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon MP Lok Sabha ulalong ukongsan. Lapediang buram mi ukongsan da Reverend Padar Shining Star Dekhar Principal, Reverend Padar Saji Rector rengkat kinong hikai bat ki samla puli hakani ke skul hikai trekam. Upadar Shining Dekhar Principal haka jingkren pediang sngobha ya ukongsan bat ki riu khmat balakot sngobha ula batai lengkot ya ka jing koridor jong kani kasngi kentiu kerdan ya ki samla ki bala pendap ya ki jing puli jong ki na kani ka skul. Kasngi kentiu kerdan Convocation Day kadai ka sakhi bakini ki samla ki lalong ki ba la pentebet yala de bandrung shaki jaka trei ba pher hala ka jong ka jing pentebet. Ula kentue kini ki samla banlong ki nuksa ba bahaya ki weipan haba ki trei ki kta ban trei da ka ba IT lot yala de ba da ka jing minot hala ki kam ki jam.
I am honored to welcome you to this momentous occasion, our annual convocation. First and foremost, we thank God for His blessing on our institute and for the successful completion of the academic year, crowned with this convocation day. It is my distinct honor to welcome in a very special way the chief guest of the day, Honorable Member of the Parliament, Shri Dr. Ricky Andrew Sengkon. This is memento made here at Institute Elisa. That is with all love. The brother who is taking photo for you is the one who made it. The memento, okay, Brother Daniel, with lots of love and hard work that has been prepared.
Haka jingkran kumukongsan u Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon ula penpau ke jing sngongu iki bor penyad bat kinong hikai ke Don Bosco Technical School ki bala IT lut yala de ban kentiu shaprang iki sap ki phong trei ba bonjat iki samla jong ka Megalia bat jong ka than lam mingi barok away. Ula pen shlor iki samla puli banya le na ka benta ka jing thmu ba kham halor da ka ba kedau ba ki sap jong ki kta jur ban pen kala kham bha ya ka lawe jong ka jilla barok away.
It is a great honor and a great privilege for me to be here today to celebrate the achievement of the graduating class of Don Bosco Technical School 2022 to 24 and 2023 to 24. Like I said, this is a momentous occasion marking the culmination of 1 year and 2 years of hard work, dedication and perseverance. I would like to commend the faculty and staff of Don Bosco Technical School for your unwavering commitment in providing quality technical education and also for nurturing the potential of our young ones. Truly your dedication, dear faculty members, instructors and all the support staff, your dedication and your hard work have undoubtedly contributed to the success of the young graduates. Well, the Don Bosco Technical School, I know, has a rich history. From what I heard from all who have spoken before me, rich history which is deeply rooted in the legacy of the Salesian Society of Don Bosco, which was founded by Saint John Bosco, am I right? In the 19th century. Well, the foundation of Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong, more than 100 years ago, was laid, I'm sure, with the purpose of imparting technical as well as vocational education to young people of the region and particularly of this great place of ours, Meghalaya. and more so to those who come from the disadvantaged background. I hope I'm right. Well, this is a great mission. A mission to provide quality education combined with skill to empower the youth. And this very much is in alignment with the philosophy of Saint John Bosco, who believed in educating the whole person. This collaboration also do provide students with opportunities for internship as well as placement. From my side, let me say that I greatly appreciate DBTS, for not just for technical education that you've been, imparting, but also even moral and ethical development of your students by promoting discipline, integrity, and moral responsibility to your students. Well, as you stand here today, you as an institute, the students, you have not only acquired technical skills, but you have also, through your teachers, through your instructors, they have inculcated within you invaluable life lessons. That I am pretty sure. The nurturing environment of this institution, I am sure, has undoubtedly shaped you into responsible, skilled, and even compassionate individuals, which was reflected even by those who will one day adorn or wear these gowns. From all that you have displayed, I'm sure this is what the institution has done in your life. Well, the knowledge and experience gained, by you in this institution, I'm sure will serve as a solid foundation for your future endeavor. But let me remind the young ones, the skills that you have acquired, be it in your mechanical, automobile skill, electrical skill, tailoring skill, then your course in desktop publishing, and few others, 8 trades if I am correct, are not just tools for your personal success. They are instruments that you can contribute to society. I encourage you, like others before me, to dream big, but also, while dreaming big, to ground your dreams in a sense of responsibility. As young technicians, your innovations, I'm sure, will shape the future of this state of ours, this region, and the nation as a whole. If I may, share my own experience, my own life experience, I can only say this, that life will present you with a mix of success and maybe failures. I'm sure you will come across moments where you would even doubt your ability. But at times like this, or when you come across such times, remember that true success is not about achieving your goals, but it is about learning from your mistakes or failures. And even so, may you continue to move forward.
Rasa meki sernot syabaro ki bala pendap ya kajing pulih, ka bala pen i bat kedau syai, ya ki mau jam bakongsan, bakila penlut bat pentebet yalade, na kabanta ka lawai bapernai, ha kajing em jongki.
Remiwal Khatamor, Holiness Gashna, Balanstar Mukim, Safido Huntaba, Ronaldo Tumpun, Anthony Korba, Jovinal William Pada, Kinpam Lang Walang, Jimres Kongliam, Johanan Budan, Jeffrey Nyang, Bamut Janai Nomrang, Bapenkmen Lang Maulong, Garrett Hubertson, Blessing Star, Karthang Mao, Zakario Karmi Basayamon, Batskopo Lang Tongni, Andri Hun Lang Marmania.
Kinau penyat yaka DBTS kila penpau yaka jeng angnut jangka skul ban penkup bor yaki khana skul bat pan penkre yaki nak benta ki kam ki jam babonjat haka jeng em jongki lapan pho pen phieng shu shu yaka ni kasngi daki jing ruai bat jing shat na ki khana skul ki ba penpau yaki sap ki phong bahar rukom